Hi, welcome to my video. Most people think Claude is just a chatbot, but they're missing the most powerful part. Cowork. It doesn't just chat about your data, it actually operates on it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hire Claude as your 24/7 personal assistant to handle the tasks you hate, starting with your monthly credit card reconciliation. Here's a practical walkthrough for setting up your first Cowork project to organise expenses. Cowork is Anthropic's desktop agent that can actually read and write files on your computer, so it's a great fit for wrangling receipts and expense data. Before you start, you'll need a paid Claude plan like Pro or Max. Cowork is not on the free tier. You also need a Mac or Windows computer or laptop and the Claude desktop app. Cowork is not available on web or mobile, so the desktop app is required. Step 1. Install Claude Desktop. Go to claude.com/download and install the desktop app, then sign in with your Anthropic account. Step 2. Prepare an expenses folder. Before you even open Cowork, create a dedicated folder on your computer. Drop your raw stuff inside: receipt photos, PDF invoices, credit card statements, screenshots, whatever you have. Step 3. Switch to Cowork mode. Open Claude Desktop. At the top of the window, you'll see a mode selector. Click the Cowork tab. Step 4. Create your first project. In the left navigation panel, find projects and click the New Project button. You'll get 3 options. Start from scratch. Import from a Claude project. Use an existing folder. Pick Use an existing folder. Select the expenses folder you made in step 2. Name the project something like My Expense Organizer. In the project instruction, which is optional, paste in some standing context so Claude works the way you want every time. Something like, this project organises my personal expenses. Categories I use: groceries, dining, transport, utilities, rent, entertainment, travel, health, subscriptions, other. All amounts are in Swiss francs unless otherwise stated. When creating reports, use Excel with a summary tab and a detail tab. Don't delete any source files. I put this prompt in the description. Tailor the currency and categories to you. These instructions persist across every task in the project. Then click Create. Step 5. Describe your first task. In the chat box, describe the outcome in plain language. Something like, read every receipt and statement in this folder. Extract the date, merchant, amount, currency, and a category for each line item. Build an Excel file called expenses_2026.xlsx with one tab listing every transaction and a second tab summarising totals by category and by month. Flag anything that looks like a duplicate or that you're uncertain about in a third tab. Create a pie chart of my expense categories and put in the Excel file. I put this prompt in the description too. Claude will analyse your request, create a plan, and surface its reasoning so you can follow along. Step 6. Let it run, then review. Approve and let Claude work. You'll see progress indicators as it reads each file. The Claude desktop app must stay open while Claude is working. If you close the app, the session ends. Tasks can run for a while on larger folders. You can step away and come back. When it finishes, the output files land directly in your expenses folder. Open it. In Transactions tab, you see all the expenses. I have redacted the merchant and description for this video, but in your file, nothing will be redacted. In the summary section, you can see the pie chart that shows the percentage and amount of each expense category as I asked for. Step 7. Schedule it to repeat. Once the workflow is solid, automate it. Click Scheduled in the left sidebar to set up something like every Sunday at 8 p.m. Scan the expenses folder for new files and append them to expenses_2026.xlsx. Scheduled tasks only run while your computer is awake and the Claude desktop app is open. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and see you next time.